Effects of bilging and permeability on ship stability. Number 1. Bilging. Bilging happens when a compartment of the ship is damaged and seawater enters through a hole in the hull. Effects on stability. The ship becomes heavier because of flooding. The ship's draft increases and it sinks deeper in the water. The ship may list or trim depending on the location of flooding. The center of gravity rises, reducing stability. The ship loses buoyancy and reserve buoyancy. Severe bulging can cause the ship to capsize or sink. Number 2. Permeability. Permeability is the percentage of space inside a compartment that can be filled with water. Common values. Cargo space about 60 to 90%. Machinery space about 85%. Passenger space about 95%. Effects on stability. Higher permeability means more water can enter the compartment. More flooding causes a greater loss of buoyancy and stability. It increases the free surface effect, making the ship less stable. Lower permeability reduces the amount of flooding and helps maintain stability.